Better than heaven or Arcadia, I love thee, O my India. And thy love I shall give to every brother nation that lives. God made the earth, man made confining countries and their fancy frozen boundaries. But with unfound boundless love, I behold the borderland of my India expanding into the world. Hail, mother of religions, lotus, scenic beauty, and sages. Thy wide doors are open, welcoming God's true sons through all ages. Where Ganges, woods, Himalayan caves, and men dream God. I am hollowed, my body touched that sod. One individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. This quote by Netaji means that we are the human incarnation of the ideas that our ancestors have thought of. We must strive harder every day of our life for a better India that is prosperous and equal to all our citizens. Independence Day is a festival when we celebrate our martyrs and their struggles of a long span of 200 years of British rule. When the nation underwent a lot of events which made our freedom fighters anxious for a better future that we are witnessing today. But we have came so far that we have started to taking it for granted, forgetting the true meaning of the day. This day shouldn't be just a day when we gather to raise the flag and eat sweets. One must keep in mind that the flag we raise is our head, that we shall never let anyone down. The flag is also the heads that were beheaded in the time stretch. We shall not let them down either. No bite of the delicious sweet should be taken without thinking of those nights when our leaders fought empty stomachs. Us, as citizens of this country, should always keep the past, present, and future glory alive in every moment of this day. We shall promise to keep the head of our farmers, soldiers, doctors, industrialists, teachers, and government bodies high, and shall promise this perpetuity. जनगणमनयधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्यविधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे Jaya 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 Hey. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind.